we're back to the lovely Google clock. Well, when you plug it in, give it about 30 seconds and then you will hear, hey, I am your Google Assistant. Get the at home app. What we have to do is get the app. If you guys don't have the app, make sure you have it, or go to the Google Home app. So I have it already. My Google Home app, we were actually just on this Google Home app yesterday because my mom bought her a Chromecast, but I told her that, you know, they already have the new Chromecast, so she bought the old Chromecast before this new Chromecast came. So this is the Google Home app. Hey, we set up this living room device yesterday, and I've been had this one, Princess Yana. So now it's set up household, invite member, connect smart things. Connect smart things, link Hulu, set up, here it is, set up Google Assistant Smart Clock. Ooh, come on, Yana. Okay, so then you'll be able to control these devices at the home. Yep, going next, looking for devices. So this same thing that you see over here in the corner, it says Lenovo Smart Clock 1825. And your Google Home app will find it. It'll find the device and it'll ask you the device. And then you're going to click yes. So now it's doing the setup. It has this code here, the D7S7. Now your phone should say D7S7, just like how you would hook up your Chromecast. Keep in mind that everyone has a different model code. So the last four numbers are the model code to your clock. So it's not going to be the same number as mine. It says connected. And then see how it has the same code right here and here? See, the same code here. That's how you know you're connected to the right Google Assistant Smart Clock. In case someone else has one around your neighborhood, you know because you have a special number at the ending of your clock or at the ending of your Chromecast. This is the same way you would connect a Chromecast. So you're going to press yes. And it says help improve Google Smart Assistant Clock. Automatically share devices stats. No thanks. So I'm gonna name this device next. If you want to give it a special name, just put add a custom room instead of clicking like living room or whatever, because your device will start saying living room. Like you don't, I mean, I know I don't want that. So I'm gonna put, y'all, it's connecting. It's connected to the Wi-Fi right now. I put in the name. I picked the Wi-Fi and now it says connected and now it's updating. Hang on tight. This will take a few minutes. Before using Google Assistant, here are a few things to know before using your Google Assistant Smart Clock. Trouble connecting. Check your connection and try again. That's what my Chromecast said yesterday, but let's wait on it. Or that Chromecast I set up yesterday. Oh, it automatically puts clock on there. Trouble connecting and try again. Just a second, your assistant. If this error message pops up for you as well, just press try again and it'll eventually work. Oh, the new way to talk to Google. Navigate, communicate things. Help your Google Assistant by turning on these settings. You will know it's connected once your Google clock says updating like mine. And this takes about 5 minutes. Contact info. This data may be saved and used in where you signed in. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna leave this here while I go get some water. Looks good, looks good. Can't believe this clock is $90. This itty bitty clock. Okay, almost done. Finish the setup in the home app. Then get to know your device. Let's press next. If you decide later that isn't for you, simply remove it in settings. Note, a similar voice or recording might be able to access your personal results or your... Oh, okay. Okay, Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Y'all, I had to take this iPad in the other room to edit because it was prompting my Google clock. But yeah, y'all, this is the voice setup part. So once you're done with the voice setup, you have the setup of the apps that you want to connect to Google Clock. Not all apps, just the apps that it's compatible with. Press and hold to customize face clock. Ooh. Y'all, this touchscreen is really touchy. Make sure your kids do not come and touch all over this thing. Dang. This is a touchscreen. So anywho, you have no alarm set. Let's set an alarm together, y'all. Wait, swipe from the left edge to go back. Okay. I mean, you can do this manually or you can ask Google Assistant to do it for you. But I'm just going to do one with you guys, okay? That's when I usually wake up. Let's press set. The smart clock gently brightens 30 minutes before you need to get up. Turn on. Sunrise alarm. Yeah, so then they have different things like good morning routine. Let's see what that is. Wait, I wanted to know what that was though. What's good morning routine? I'm not sure what that is, but good morning routine is the prompt where she tells you the weather and the news every single morning that you wake up. This is a everyday type of thing, so I can have a regular schedule. So we're doing all the same days, you guys. So that's every day. Alarm tone, we'll do that together in a second. So let's go back to here. So get personal results with your voice. Now you can turn on personal results, blah blah. Assistant can show you personal. I keep saying that. What is personal results? Now you can turn on personal results to access your calendar. Pick out whichever Google voice you want. So, says play a sample.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
So you can choose if you want the woman or the guy.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Actually, so here we go. Default music service. When you ask the assistant to play music, it will automatically play from this service. It'll play from YouTube Music, Spotify, Pandora, or Deezer. Never heard of it. These two are free radio services. You will have to have the premium membership. Spotify, because I already have Spotify on my phone, y'all. So now, link radio services. Let everyone play the radio just by asking the assistant. Not now. I don't do Siri. What's it called? Siri's Access? No. Link video services. Let everyone watch video service just by asking the assistant. I'm definitely going to do Disney Plus. It's loading. So this is the face. You can change the interface and customize it to how you want. But I'm not sure how the interface is yet because I haven't played with it. I'm trying to like set up other things right now. And no thank you. Here's a review of what you have set up. Okay, so it looked like Let me see. Services. Oh, well, continue. The latest Google Assistant Smart Cloud software is being installed about 6 minutes. I hope you guys found this video useful. I will see you guys in part 3 where I actually interact with the Google Clock so you guys can see it for yourself. I see y'all. It's your girl, Sincerely Anna.
Accept who you are and stand by your own definition of beauty. The infamous promo pic. Live life with intention and execution. It'll make your soul dance. And it has makeup, because you know how makeup, there's like concealer. So it says, don't conceal anything. Get ready for transformation. I love that.